We are providing online one-to-one PTE coaching with authentic practice materials. After enrolling our PTE courses, you will get next material updates for next 6 months. For more information, WhatsApp us on given numbers.
The university offers a range of scholarships for international students. The university offers a range of scholarships for international students. Please upload your documents before the verification deadline. Please upload your documents before the verification deadline. The speaker emphasized the importance of time management. The speaker emphasized the importance of time management. All participants must register at the front desk upon arrival. All participants must register at the front desk upon arrival. You should listen carefully to each instruction given. You should listen carefully to each instruction given. The cafeteria will serve only vegetarian meals today. The cafeteria will serve only vegetarian meals today. A detailed report must be submitted at the end of the project. A detailed report must be submitted at the end of the project. The workshop aims to improve communication skills. The workshop aims to improve communication skills. Please ensure that your laptop is fully charged. Please ensure that your laptop is fully charged. The lecture focuses on the impact of climate change. The lecture focuses on the impact of climate change. You must complete all sections of the test within the time limit. You must complete all sections of the test within the time limit. The museum tour will take approximately 2 hours. The museum tour will take approximately 2 hours. Please review your answers before submitting the test. Please review your answers before submitting the test. The conference will be streamed live for remote attendees. The conference will be streamed live for remote attendees. You are required to attend the orientation session tomorrow. You are required to attend the orientation session tomorrow. The assignment should be typed and double-spaced. The assignment should be typed and double-spaced. Students must follow the guidelines strictly. Students must follow the guidelines strictly. Please assemble in the auditorium for the announcement. Please assemble in the auditorium for the announcement. The results will be emailed to all candidates. The results will be emailed to all candidates. Your ID will be checked before entering the exam hall. Your ID will be checked before entering the exam hall. The experiment must be repeated to verify the results. The experiment must be repeated to verify the results. Please remain seated until your number is called. Please remain seated until your number is called. The training module includes both theory and practice. The training module includes both theory and practice. You should avoid making grammatical errors in your writing. You should avoid making grammatical errors in your writing. The classroom environment should be kept clean and quiet. The classroom environment should be kept clean and quiet. The schedule has been revised due to unforeseen circumstances. The schedule has been revised due to unforeseen circumstances. Your participation in group activities is essential. Your participation in group activities is essential. Please keep track of important deadlines. Please keep track of important deadlines. The system requires you to reset your password every 6 months. The system requires you to reset your password every 6 months. Please take a moment to review the rules. Please take a moment to review the rules.